When it comes to competitive gameplay and you're using a stock video game controller, you're already holding yourself back. There are ways to give yourself the edge that you need in any lobby so that you can dominate the competition. Today we'll be giving you a sneak peek into the newest DIY kits offered by Tryhard Customs. Now, I myself came across Tryhard Customs, I want to say 3.5 years ago now, and to be honest with you, the owner, Atomic Mike, is the reason why I ever got into microcontroller builds, maker projects, repairs, upgrades, and any sort of modifications. I wouldn't be where I am today if it wasn't for Atomic Mike, and I'm really excited to see how far they've come, especially in the world of gaming. Now, I'd love to go into detail on what Tryhard Customs really is, but I thought to myself, why not have the owner himself?
What's up, guys? I'm Mike with Tryhard Customs. We do mail-in controller repairs, mods, and upgrades. Game controllers are something I'm really passionate about, and I'm really excited to announce our new DIY mod kits coming first quarter of 2026.
If you've ever modified your own game controller by like one of those DIY kits you find on AliExpress and Amazon and like Extreme Rate, then you know firsthand that those switches on the inside are not real mouse click switches. And they're not really good switches at all. Now, major custom game controller companies like Battle Beaver and Evil Controllers do offer real mouse click switches, but none of them offer DIY kits.
Basically, what we're trying to do is offer the same level of quality that you would get sending your controller away to a custom controller company and offer that to people to do themselves at home without the need to send their controller away.
Now, what I'm about to show you guys is just for Xbox Series and Elite Series 2 controllers, although PlayStation is coming soon.
Okay, so normal face buttons you can see here, these are not upgraded with anything. They're kind of mushy, not very clicky. Now if you look at an upgraded controller, this one here, this one has mouse switches behind the buttons. Ooh. You can hear they click quite nicely. If you look at this one actually has mouse switches put underneath the buttons, and you can hear nice and clicky, a very tactile feel.
Now, mind you, when it comes to clicky face buttons, for me, it's just about the feel. But that fraction of a millisecond actually makes a difference when you're in the right lobby. In the DIY kit, you get some essentials. You get the flex PCB that actually hold the mouse click switches. You can opt out for different mouse click switches with different force ratings, as well as the magnetic bases that go on top of the actual PCB. Then you get these magnetic face buttons. Now, for those of you wondering, why the magnets? That's because the buttons are hot swappable, so you can swap out the buttons without ever having to open the controller at all. And they've come up with so many different button combinations. For example, you have smooth classic on white, you have textured classic on white, glossy classic on white, and these just look fantastic. Now, I personally like the textured grip option, but the glossy just feels amazing. Now, although I like the smooth, textured, and glossy options, they also have different exotic options to choose from. Their exotic options are kind of cool. You've got tactical. I really like the spiral galactic. The dragon skin is really exceptional, and they have that nice chain skin. But their textured is kind of that classic grippy feel.
So we're also going to offer some of these exotic color options. I don't know if you can see this on the camera, but these are cool because they are different than the classic colors. They kind of reflect the light a little bit, or almost like sparkle a little bit, if you get it just right.
And with the amount of textures and color combinations and different options that you can kind of mix and match on your button combos is really cool.
So yeah, basically to swap these is pretty simple. You just pop them out. Whoops. Might be a little easier if you have some longer nails. I can usually do it pretty quick, but
well, they come off really easy.
Just do the X. The X is hard. The Y is easy. How do you? All right, you do it. You can do it. Apparently, I can't do my own upgrade. Here, hold on.
Being absolutely perfect, you can literally just pull them out at any given time, and these aren't really that easy to pull out. Like, if you think these are gonna fall out during gameplay, you are sadly mistaken. It really needs a little bit of grip, and it's, there we go. Where's that tool? They have a tool where you can actually make this a lot easier than you think, and they only go one specific way. So if you think that something will be upside down, you are mistaken, yeah. Oh, that's perfect. I love mouse click face buttons. I like mouse click anything, really, but their mouse click triggers are really, really nice. Let me show you why.
So what you see here, this is going to be part of our mouse click trigger DIY kit. Basically we're aiming to sell 3 different kits. You can upgrade the face buttons, the triggers, or the bumpers. If you look, you can see you have a flat surface hitting that mouse switch. What that does is that will extend the life of that mouse switch far beyond the typical strategy, which is to just glue the switch down and have the trigger hit it normally. This will have way less wear on your button.
Now, I exclusively use mouse click triggers on any game controller I'm working on, but just listen to this. It feels and it sounds perfect. And just the ingenuity that was put behind the mouse click triggers is simply amazing. That is so cool, man.
All right, so if you're a fan of textured buttons, if you want some extra grip on your buttons, we're gonna offer 5 different styles of grips. You have your standard textured, your tactical, which is just a bit finer of a texture, dragon scales, galactic, which is like a swirl, and then you have chains here. Now, if they all feel different, and if you want to sample all of them basically and like find out which one you like, we are going to sell these texture packs, which basically has a full set of each texture. Like, there's a whole lot of stuff that we're working on that we haven't even mentioned yet. Like, for example, these super cool colors that are very like reflective and sparkly. That's all soon to come. To be determined. So basically, I got into all this back when I was buying DIY kits and upgrading my controllers myself. That was what got me obsessed with customizing controllers. That's what got me started in all this. And I think it's a great thing to get other people involved and other people excited about it, because there's not many players in the game right now.
Now, one of the best parts about all this is every single thing you see is made and assembled and designed here in the great old USA. Extreme rate kits are made so that literally anybody can just place a modification on their controller and you'd have a fully modded controller. These are, I would call, intermediary. You'll still have to solder on these tiny contact points straight to the controller.
So hopefully in the next week or 2, I'm gonna release an instructional video that shows the whole process from start to finish, so you can decide if you're willing to do it.
Tryhard Customs offers so many different customizations for your ultimate game controller, including custom back buttons. Ooh, that's really clicky. I like that. If you guys like this video, make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment. It helps the algorithm and it helps me, and I'd appreciate it. Also, if you guys want to stay updated with all the custom game controllers and different modifications that Tryhard Customs offer, check out their YouTube channel linked down below, and their website is tryhardcustoms.com. We'll see you next time.